Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I am TJ and today I have a special unboxing for you. This. What may seem like a plain white box may actually be the Huawei P20 Lite. Let's take a look at the packaging. The packaging is very simple but clean. I like it. This is the front of the box. And the left and right, you have the text Huawei P20 Lite. The top has the Huawei logo. Let's get this opened. I did have to remove the security tabs to make sure the device is powering on correctly in store. This is the Midnight Black 64GB version. Let's put the phone to the side and take a look at the accessories. Here is your SIM card removal pin, quick start guide, travel charger, USB Type-C cable, and headphones. Let's take a look at the phone. It comes in this plastic bag. Here are some of the specs on this phone. A 5.8-inch Full HD screen, 16 megapixel front camera, 16 megapixel primary camera, and a 2 megapixel secondary professional bokeh lens on the rear. It has face unlock, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gig storage, supports fast charge 2.0, it has a 3000 milliamps battery, and the Huawei Kirin 659 octa-core CPU to round things off. One cool feature of this phone is it can take 2 nano SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. This is cool and extremely handy feature. Nothing like a fresh device. This Midnight Black looks amazing. The phone feels very premium in hand. It is super glossy and yes, it is a fingerprint and dust magnet. Due to the camera bump, the phone does not sit perfectly flush, but it does not rock so bad when placed on a flat surface. On the right of the phone, you have the power and volume buttons. On the bottom, you have a headphone jack, USB Type-C, microphone port, and speaker grill. On the left, you have the SIM card and memory card tray. On the top, it has the microphone port. Guys, let's power it on. Next, I will show you how to install the SIM card. Let's get the SIM tool out of the box. This is a very interesting SIM tool, Huawei. You push the tab in using the tool and pull the tray out like so. Place your SIM card in the tray and install it back in the phone. Here is the setup screen. I will complete the setup off camera and be right back. Guys, welcome back. The phone setup is completed. Here it is. The phone is very snappy. The screen looks great and I'm very impressed with the quality of this mid-range phone. The phone came bundled with a power bank and a case. Huge shout out to Macy from Celsi Pavilion. Thanks so much for assisting with the paperwork and purchase, and you made the whole process extremely easy. Really quick, I want to share a snippet from a poem I came across, which reminds me so much of this device. Give me the nuclear winter promised in those Arctic eyes. I'll take the supernova pulsing in your chest, and I'll brave the black hole that is in your soul. I'll reach in and I'll let you pull me into your madness. Because the gentle stillness of forever is not for us. And if we must perish, let it be in beauty and magnificent chaos. I think this perfectly sums up the fingerprint and dust magnet side of this phone with its gorgeous deep midnight black color. If you want to check out the full poem, I will leave the link in the description. It's from an amazing poet who I recently discovered and goes by the name Nico and the Fox. All in all, this phone feels way more premium than its price tag would suggest, especially when you consider what features it packs. I highly recommend you check this out. Shout out to Taz for letting me unbox her phone. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. What do you think will be the phone of the year for 2019?